Heyo, here's a fun step. We are going to get some images to use for our clipping mask. So here I am on Unsplash, and here on the right side of the screen, I have selected images that are free to use. So my postcards from space, you can enter in whatever place your postcard is from, and when you have an image you like, you can download for free. You can notice who is the artist and credit them as well in your credits. So I have downloaded this image. Now I'm heading back to my canvas and I'm going to File, Place Embedded. I'm going to go find that file from my downloads and go ahead and place. All right. Well, this image is just going to clip behind the letter S. So in order for me to see both the image and the letter S, something I can do is with the image selected, coming over to my layers panel, I can lower the opacity so I can see, okay, what part do I want exactly on top of the S? All right, that's how I would like it. And then I'm going to bring my opacity back up. Everything is perfect, ready to go. Next step will be actually doing the clipping mask.